Tired of heating up your full-sized oven just to bake a small snack or appetizer? The OvenStuff Toaster Oven Set is designed exactly for that. Personal-sized baking that saves time, energy, and space. Imagine crisping up your favorite treats to golden perfection without the weight or the mess. This set fits most toaster ovens, making it a smart choice for anyone living in apartments, dorms, or smaller homes. What sets this toaster oven set apart is its DuraGlide PLUS nonstick coating on both the pan and rack. This means food slides right off, cutting down cleanup time significantly. No more scrubbing stuck on crumbs or grease. Plus, the heavyweight steel construction guarantees even heating with no hot spots, so every bite bakes evenly. Whether you're toasting, baking, or reheating, you get consistent results every time. I found this set especially handy when I wanted to bake individual portions without the hassle of a large oven. The pan's internal dimensions of 8.5 by 6.5 inches are just right for personal snacks, and the included rack measures 7.75 by 5.6 inches, perfect for air fryer use too. It's versatile, easy to handle, and fits snugly in tight spaces. Plus, with simple care instructions, just hand wash and towel dry, you'll keep it looking new for years. The 5-year limited warranty backs its quality, giving you peace of mind. If you're someone who values convenience and efficiency in the kitchen, this set is worth a look. It's a great value, especially considering the combination of pan and rack at a price that's often less than buying a cooling rack alone. Whether you're a busy student, a small household, or just want to upgrade your toaster oven experience, OvenStuff makes personal-sized baking easy and enjoyable. Try it when you're ready to elevate your quick meals without extra fuss. Ready to make your snack prep simpler and more satisfying? The OvenStuff Toaster Oven Set is waiting to help you bake smarter, not harder. Grab yours today and enjoy crispy, perfectly cooked snacks anytime, without heating up the whole kitchen.